AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length unit with a remote locatable control panel and unwind station to unwind and precisely cut sheets of Kraft paper at various lengths from roll form. Rolls of material are loaded onto the cantilevered unwind. Unwind station has a variable speed motor and control panel. From the unwind, material travels under the dancer arm as it controls the speed and tension of the material web. Pressure between rollers can manually be adjusted by the operator. A toggle switch allows the operator to lift the idler roller to allow for easy setup of a new web. Material is then cut by a D2 heat-treated tool steel blade. Cut material then falls down a safety enclosed exit chute. A jam sensor will automatically shut down the unit when no product is sensed exiting the knife assembly. The unit has a color touchscreen for easy setup and operation. Custom cut lengths and cycles can be input on the unit's touchscreen. All components are mounted on a common aluminum frame. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.